Hey there, welcome to my channel. My name is Morgan and I like to put up videos on complicated things sometimes, technical stuff, weapons, electronics, all the cool neat stuff, and it's why I've called my channel Vorteknix, and I hope to be putting many more videos up soon, so, and clean up a little bit. Take it easy. My 50 caliber air rifle just showed up and it's pretty neat. I think you'll like it. It shoots a 50 caliber slug, and it also shoots a 50 caliber air bolt that goes faster than any crossbow on the market today. And I've seen some other videos where it's gone through vehicles and taken down the largest white-tailed deers. It's completely amazing, and it all uses compressed air. A 50 caliber slug, 336 grains lead, and a 50 caliber air bolt, all being fired from a rifle that compresses air. It's completely cool. Come check it out.
All right, go ahead.
Tear this thing up. Yeah, it was off a little bit, wasn't I? So, wow. It really went up there.
Yeah.
Went completely through that, whatever that thing is.